Produce higher nest yield with the straightforward nesting tools in SigmaNEST to save material, reduce production costs, and streamline your manufacturing processes. As a desktop application, available in both standard and network licensing models, SigmaNEST programs the vast majority of profile cutting, router, or punch machines. Utilize inbuilt 2D CAD modeling to create dimensioned parts from scratch, or import any type of existing 2D and 3D CAD models before applying intelligent filtering, editing, or error correction tools to import only what's required. Build your own database of parts, each assigned with relevant properties and machine data to create a reusable library of parts to aid with future jobs. SigmaNEST ensures compliance with your company standards throughout the manufacturing process. Conditions including lead-in, lead-outs, material grain requirements, preferred toolpaths, tabs for preventing tipping, and additional custom data for each part can be specified to respect your standards and minimize any risk of renesting. Track sheet availability and automatically save remnants back into the sheet stock for future nests to maintain control of your inventory, and leave SigmaNEST to discover the optimal nests by evaluating the sheet inventory to nest parts onto the most appropriate available sheets. SigmaNEST algorithms help to automate repetitive and challenging tasks, and with support from manual adjustment tools, you retain overall control of your processes and stock, while optimized toolpaths take care of reduced cutting times and minimize material wastage. Streamline batch jobs and monitor the status of parts with work orders, while automatic true area calculations deliver precise evaluations of cutting time, weight, and full part costings that are easily exported to customizable quotes while helping you avoid unwanted and costly surprises in the meantime. Manufacturers across the world trust SOLIDWORKS and its partners to help them enhance their efficiency, and as part of the TriMech Group, we support them throughout their product development journey. So discover how SigmaNEST can advance your manufacturing capabilities in the demonstrations around our website, or book your own private demonstration to discover how we can help you reduce costs and enhance your efficiency.